Hi guys, if you're brand new here, my name is Sophia and this is a very different video today. It's a video I didn't think I'd be making. I'm gonna try not to get too emotional. So I might have to put my sunglasses over my eyes at points. But I do have a video that's going out that I've been working on, and I would just feel so disingenuous if I posted the video and didn't tell you what's been going on. It's been a really difficult and highly emotional time. Sunglasses going on already, like not even a minute in. Great. So basically, there's like noises going on, so I'm going to try and just get this out because I just want to be really transparent so I can move forward. This, I guess, is just another plot twist to the series that is our Reno. And basically last week James fell back in his wheelchair, which resulted in a C2, C3 fracture in his vertebrae. It was very traumatic for James, very traumatic to just witness and try and be a support pillar for him since he's been home. Now we've got over the worst of it and now it's all about recovery and pain management. I wouldn't be lying if I said that at the moment I'm kind of giving from an empty cup, but I'm just grateful that he's home. This year was supposed to be a year that we were going to take things a lot more easier, more just like not relaxed, but just have a complete opposite to the year that we had last year, 2024, which was really intense for a whole range of reasons, financially, mentally, emotionally, physically. Like, it was just a big year. So we had said at the end of 2024 and at the start of this year that we were going to take things a little bit easier. We're already halfway through and we've done half of the things that we've wanted to do, which is really great. Obviously, we absolutely love doing this project, and it's a bit different when you, like what we were doing, we were living in an apartment and working on this, there was a bit of separation, and I don't think you fully get actually how intense it is until you move into your project, and every waking moment you're thinking about all of these jobs that you want to do at some point, and it's all in like a priority list and whatnot. But yeah, that's what's been going on at the moment. If you've been following the channel for a while, then you will know a similar incident like this happened over 2 years ago when James and I were living in our apartment. At that time he was able to stand and walk, and he had fallen into a bit of a pile and essentially broke both of his legs. And for some reason that time seemed a lot easier because we weren't living here. We were still in the demo stage, so taking things apart. That was a really good distraction. It was awful, obviously, for James, of course, and for myself as well, and thankfully we had a really good support system then. But for some reason I'm like, it's just a lot harder this time. There's no real like distractions at the moment. We've been really lucky to have James's parents' support, so his mum and dad and his stepdad, and also friends have also been such a great verbal support, and we've had a few people here, which has been really needed. It's just a really tough time at the moment, and I just want to get this video out but not seem fake. Or halfway through me putting this video together, this accident has happened. I am aware that there's going to be an energy shift. I will probably have to kind of summarize what I'm saying today into that video, but I just want to put out there that things aren't great at the moment. They are going to get better, of course. I've been really enjoying putting videos together for you guys this year, and I personally find it such a creative outlet and a great distraction over like various things that have happened this year, and I take it really seriously. I'm so lucky to have brands that want to work with me, and I wouldn't even say that I'm a huge channel yet. There's like over 2,000 of us now, and I'm so grateful, and it's so lovely to see regular people comment time and time again, and I always make sure that I respond with the fact that I appreciate the continuous support, because you don't have to spend your time watching my videos about our renovation when there's like so many other bigger things going on in other people's lives and also the world. So I do really, really appreciate that. Oh God, I can feel myself getting upset again. But yeah, at the risk of waffling on, thank you so much for watching. I will be back very soon with that video that I've just spoken about. And again, I'm so grateful for all of the messages, likes, people watching. I don't really know what else to say, to be honest, without blubbering. But yeah, I shall see you guys in the next one.